Hi Biotech TV, I'm Srinath Krishnamurthy, a member of the platform team at OMass Therapeutics. Welcome to our mass spec laboratory, where we are using some of the cutting-edge structural mass spectrometry tools to learn more about our proteins and actually eventually drug them. So firstly, we have a state-of-the-art native MS instrument, mass spec instrument, where it's built on the idea that our protein targets, where we work on a lot of difficult targets, undruggable even, we need to keep these protein targets in their native complex state. So large complexes with multiple interacting partners, the only way we think that we can drug them with a molecule that actually work in a clinic is to understand the molecule in its entirety. Life is interaction. And this machine is able to maintain these interactions in the gas phase, in the mass spec itself, where we can actually piece together each interaction that these complexes are making and actually drug the specific complex that we want to target. So that's the level of detail we can go with this instrument, and it gives us a lot of hit compounds. And the next step in the process of drug discovery is to look at how these complexes move. And for that, we now come to this instrument, which is called a hydrogen deuterium exchange mass spectrometry instrument. This is built on the principle of understanding how these complexes move and dance in water. So what we do next is we take all our hit compounds, throw it in this instrument, understand how these compounds bind and how they influence these complexes to look for specific signatures of how we want these complexes to work. And we take those compounds forward and progress them to have more function, more affinity, and able to hit these targets better and hopefully work in a clinical setting.